Hello guys, this is Christian Quintero. This is my final exam project. I'm going to talk about the present the activity designed for the practice and production stakes. The topic that I'm going to show you is present continuous. Okay, firstly, present activity designed for the practice and product stage. It means the PP triangle. What it means? It is a method to manage a lesson, making a better fluency way in your process of your presentation. There are three stages. Each stage is necessary for the next one. Okay, the first stage is called presentation. What it means? It is the teacher presentation of the topic or the taught language. It's necessary to make it in a properly way or skilled. The next one, stage 2, called practice. This involves the teacher and the students because it's necessary to involve the teacher is involved to solve the students' doubts, help them to improve their abilities. The three stage is called as productions, involves the student more than a student, and the teacher is less involved. Okay, as a summarize, there is the process flow. I said before, one stage is necessary for the next one. Presentation. The first one, the presentation, is important to talk about the quality of the pronunciation. That it's necessary that the student learn the correct pronunciation of the language. It's the same with the meaning, and the front means how this language works. The second one, the practice, is called as a control practice, because I told you the teacher is involved in this process. And finally, the productions. It's called as a free practice because the more important role is of the student. Okay. The next one, I'm gonna talk about the present continuous. It's necessary to make a short review about the present of the verb to be. Remember, the subject plus the verb to be. I am, you are, he, she, it, is, we, you, they are, and the negative form. I am not, you aren't, he, she, it isn't, we, you, they aren't. So, let's continue with the structure of the present continuous. This is the affirmative form. We have the subject plus the verb to be plus the verb ending in ing form plus the complement. Example, I'm playing soccer. You are writing an essay. She is studying for the exam. And there are contractions. For example, I am, in this example, is I am playing soccer. You are writing inside. She is studying for the exam. Okay, let's continue with the negative form. We have subject plus the negative form of the verb to be plus the verb with ing plus the complement. Examples, I am not playing soccer. You are not writing an essay. She's not studying for the exam. Okay, guys, finally with the interrogative form, we have to turn the place between the verb to be and the subject. For example, we have the verb to be plus subject plus the verb with the ing plus complement. And guys, don't forget to put a question mark. It's so important. It's very important. Examples. Am I playing soccer? There are two ways to make an answer, the short way and the long way. The short, yes, you are, and the long, yes, you are playing soccer. The next one example, are you writing inside? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Or the long way, yes, I'm writing inside, or no, I'm not writing inside. Then we are talking about the interrogative pronouns. This topic it's so easy, guys. So only put the pronouns at the beginning of the question. For example, what are you doing? When is she studying? So, but when can I use the present continuous? We use the present continuous to talking about something that is happening right now, or to make plans in the future. So, how to use adverbs with the present continuous? Oh, there are two kind of adverbs. For something is happening right now, we use now or the moment. For example, I am studying English or I am teaching English at the moment. For making plans in the future, I'm going to play soccer tomorrow, or next week, or next month, or next Saturday. Finally, I'm going to show you some rules of the grammar. The verbs ending with E, we change the E for I, and adding ng. For example, love, loving, live, living. There are some exceptions. See, with the verb see, be, agree. We don't change anything. See, seeing, be, being, agree, agreeing. Okay, the next one. With a verb with only one syllable or monosyllable, that ending in vowel plus consonant. For example, cut, stop, and set. We add the last consonant plus eng. For example, cut, cutting. We put a double T. Stop, stopping with double P. And the last one, setting. Setting, there are two T's. Okay, the verbs ending with L. For example, trouble. We double the consonant, and finally is traveling. Okay, there are some irregular examples with some special verbs. Lie, die, and tie. We change the with G and plus eng. For example, lying, dying, and try. Okay, guys, that is all. Thank you for watching.